What would you do if you could start a side hustle without spending anything up front? Let's be real. Nobody wants to blow money to make money. You don't have to. In 2025, there are side hustles that need zero cash to start. It's possible and people are making bank. My name is Olu, and in today's video, I'll reveal 6 easy online side hustles that require zero money to start in 2025. Ready to discover how to earn money online and transform your financial future? Let's get into the top 6 side hustles you can start today. 1. Creating logos. Let's kick things off with our first side hustle, creating logos. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not an artist. Don't worry, you don't need to be Picasso to make some serious cash designing logos. All you need are some basic graphic design skills and a bit of creativity. Tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator are perfect for beginners. Guess what? Canva is free, so no excuses. Here's how to begin. First, to create a portfolio showcasing your logo designs. Use free platforms like Canva to design a few samples. You can even make logos for your friends' imaginary businesses. They'll appreciate the freebie and you'll get practice. Promote your services on freelance websites like the Fiverr and on Upwork. These platforms are great for finding clients who need logos but don't want to break the bank. Depending on the complexity, you can charge anywhere from $5 to $100 plus per logo. Imagine making $200 to $500 per month just by doodling on your computer. Check out these influencers who've made a killing with logo design. Will Patterson, for example, earned around $50,000 in 2023 just from his logo designs and tutorials. Another great example is Satori Graphics, who made about $60,000 in 2022 from YouTube and freelance work. 2. Content Critic. Ever find yourself mentally correcting grammar mistakes in articles or cringing at poorly written blog posts? Well, why not get paid for it? As a content critic, you can turn your inner grammar police into a profitable side hustle. Here's what you need: a strong grasp of grammar, a keen eye for detail and familiarity with different content formats like articles, blogs, and social media posts. Offer your services to bloggers, small businesses, and content creators. LinkedIn is a great place to network and advertise your services. You can also join writing groups and forums to find potential clients. Once you've got some clients, you can charge anywhere from $10 to $50 per piece of content reviewed. On average, you could make between $300 to $1,000 per month, depending on your workload and client base. Not too bad for doing something you already love, right? Check out these tools that have revolutionized content editing. Grammarly, for instance, has generated millions in 2023. Another great tool is Hemingway Editor, which has helped thousands of writers polish their work and earned significant revenue from subscriptions in 2022. 3. Thumbnail Designer. Thumbnails are the first thing people see when they're scrolling through YouTube, and a great thumbnail can make all the difference. So why not get paid to create eye-catching thumbnails for YouTubers? You'll need some basic graphic design skills and a good sense of what makes a thumbnail stand out. Tools like Canva are perfect for this, and they're free to use. Create a portfolio of sample thumbnails and promote your services on YouTube creator forums, social media, and freelance platforms. You can charge anywhere from $5 to $20 per thumbnail. On average, you could make between $100 to $500 per month, depending on the number of clients you have. Nick Nimmin made an estimated $40,000 from YouTube consulting and thumbnail designs in 2023, and Roberto Blake, who earned around $50,000 in 2022 from YouTube and design services. 4. Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is like getting paid to recommend your favorite products. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Here's how it works. First, you'll need a basic understanding of digital marketing, content creation, and SEO. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Next, create content that includes your affiliate links. This could be blog posts, social media posts, or videos. The more engaging your content, the more likely people are to click on your links and make a purchase. Potential earnings can vary widely, but beginners can expect to make around $100 to $500 per month. As you gain more experience in traffic, your earnings can skyrocket into the thousands. Pat Flynn earned over $150,000 from affiliate marketing in 2023. Another great example is Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, who made approximately $100,000 per month in 2022 from her blog. 5. Research assistant. Do you love diving deep into topics and uncovering hidden gems of information? As a research assistant, you can get paid for your curiosity. Here's what you need: strong research skills, attention to detail, and familiarity with online research tools. Offer your services to students, academics, and professionals. LinkedIn is a great place to advertise your skills. You can also find gigs on freelance websites. You can charge anywhere from $10 to $30 per hour. On average, you could make between $300 to $1,200 per month, depending on how many hours you work. Tim Ferriss is known for his extensive research for his books and podcasts, earning millions over the years. Another great example is Marie Forleo, who uses research extensively for her content and has built a successful business. 6. Remote sales representative. If you're good at talking to people and persuading them to buy things, you can make some serious cash as a remote sales representative. Here's what you need: good communication skills, persuasive abilities, and basic knowledge of CRM tools. Apply for remote sales positions on job boards like Indeed or Glassdoor. You can also network with companies that offer remote work opportunities. You can earn a base salary plus commissions, typically $15 to $30 per hour plus commission. On average, you could make between $500 to $2,000 per month, depending on your sales performance. Grant Cardone made millions in sales and now teaches others, and Jordan Belfort is known for his sales techniques and for earning millions in his career. So there you have it: 6 easy online side hustles that require no money to start in 2025. Whether you're creating logos, critiquing content, designing thumbnails, diving into affiliate marketing, assisting with research, or mastering remote sales, there's something for everyone. The best part? You can start today and gradually build a steady stream of income. Identify what interests you the most, leverage your skills, and start exploring these opportunities. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to turning these side hustles into significant income sources. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you next time, and happy hustling.